basil, the fish sauce, I have some chili and some chili paste, and some rice. And I guess you already know what I'm going to cook today. That is the Thai style basil fried rice. Now this fried rice had a distinctive flavor because of the use of chili and Thai chili paste. And you know, it is a regular dish that I normally order from my regular favorite Thai restaurant. And I'm pretty sure that you can prepare it at home with some common ingredients. Let me show you how I do it in this video. I'm KB Kwan. Thanks for joining me. First, cut the chicken breast meat into thin slices like that, about 1.5 inches in length, and then marinate it with some light soy sauce, and a little bit of salt. And leave it aside for about 30 minutes before use. Next, get a few cloves of garlic, crush them, and give it a few chops. And then followed by the Thai red chili, the bird's eye chili. Remove the stem. And also remove the seeds. And give the red chili a few rough chops. Put the chili and the garlic into the mortar. Grind them into a paste. Now prepare some leftover rice in advance. Leftover rice, especially day-old rice, is the best for preparing fried rice. Now if you do not have this kind of a leftover rice, you can spread the freshly cooked rice thinly on a large pan and then place it under a fan to blow it for 20 minutes before frying it. And this way will help to dry the surface and prevent it from sticking to the wok. We also need some basil leaves. Clean the basil leaf, the fresh basil leaf thoroughly, and then you drain it in a colander before use. Now let's make the fried rice sauce with the following ingredients. Oyster sauce, about a tablespoon. Light soy sauce. Fish sauce. A bit of sugar. And a little bit of water. Mix it, and that's the sauce for the fried rice. Now add sufficient oil into the wok and heat it to medium heat. And then you crack an egg and place it gently at the center. Let it fry undisturbed until the edges start to bubble up. This is the traditional Thai style fried egg. The edges is crispy. It is quite different from the Western style sunny side up or easy over. Okay. keep some remaining oil from frying the egg in the wok. Now let's pan fry the chicken meat. Spread it into a thin layer and let it sear for a while to get a golden brown effect on one side, then flip it over afterwards. Alright, so now it's done. Remove it from the wok and then we proceed to the next step. Add the leftover rice. Mix the oil with the rice thoroughly. And use the wok spatula to break up the lumps. Gradually increase the heat and continue stir frying until the rice starts to jump and pop. Now add the stir fry sauce that we have prepared gradually. And let the rice absorb all the seasonings. Now remove the rice from the wok. Now we add a little bit oil back to the wok and saute the garlic and the chili. You may wonder why I do not fry the garlic chili together with the rice. It is because I am using high heat to fry the rice just now to create a wok aroma. If I do that together with the chili and the garlic will then burn. I would like to also add a little bit of chili flakes for the extra flavor, which is made by using dry chili, and of course a spoon of the Thai chili paste. Now return the cooked rice back to the wok. Mix the rice together with the chili paste until it is mixed thoroughly. You should do it at medium heat, low to medium heat at this moment. Now return the chicken that we have prepared earlier. Throw in the basil leaves and turn to high heat. Stir fry until the basil leaves start to wilt and it's done. So this is the Thai style fried rice with chicken and basil. And usually we will serve it together with some tomatoes, some lime, And we serve along with some tomatoes, some lime wedges, and some cucumbers. And finally top with a fried egg. And that's how to make Thai style basil fried rice, and I hope you like it. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel, tap the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. I will see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.